how to turn on voice chat on the Fortnite Nintendo Switch version. So just load up Fortnite here on the Switch, press the plus sign on the Nintendo, and then we want to go into the settings, which is going to be this button here. So just click on the settings, just like that, and we want to go to the second tab here where it says volume sound, and just press the right button, press the right button and go down. So here you should see voice chat, and currently it's going to be off, but if you want to turn voice chat on, I'm gonna go up like that. I'll press the A button, and I can press the right button here to friends only. If I want to chat with my friends only, use voice chat with my friends only, friends and teammates here, and we also have everybody. So if you want to get voice chat, you just you just go to everybody and you will change it to everybody, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.